if you need storage. If you don't need storage, you ain't got to do that. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven. I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I do fashion hauls, a little bit of DH Gate, some press-on nail reviews, and lifestyle. I documented a little bit of my closet room journey on Instagram, and the girlies wanted to know where I got everything from. So I thought I'd do a full video of everything that's in my closet room, aka a closet room tour. I'll work my way around the room and discuss the furniture and some of the organizational things that I have that are in my room and some of the decor things, not everything. If I don't mention it in the video, please ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to find you a link or let you know where I got it from. I'll be sure to include in this video dimensions, how much they cost when I purchased them, because some things are different prices now, and their current price as it is on the websites today. But per usual, everything mentioned in this video will be linked in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get into this tour. Okay, so first let's discuss my PAX wardrobe system. A lot of girlies have this. If they've made a room in their house a closet, they usually go towards the PAX wardrobe system. I will say, before I got the system, I thought that it was way more expensive than what it was. So I kind of just bit the bullet and got it. I will also say that I got it in sections. The first two pieces of the wardrobe system that I purchased were my two larger units. They are approximately 39 by 92 inches. I will say measure, 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 and make sure that the units will fit, because they have to be built in the room and then propped upright. So just make sure you have enough clearance to prop it up as well as fit it in. You cannot really move these units from like room to room. Once you put it in there, you have to disassemble the entire thing to move it somewhere else. So I would say build it in the room that you intend for it to be in. So as far as the price is concerned, these units, when I bought them, were $115. They are now $160. IKEA has gone up just like everything else. Okay, I was surprised. But when I did buy my other two units, I did realize, I was like, wait, I said, I don't remember paying that much for the bigger ones, but I didn't think it went up that much. Okay. So I do kind of wish that I had bought them all at the same time, but I just didn't have space for all of them when I originally bought the first two. So when I bought the first two, I did buy 4 of the clothing bars that fit into the unit for like 39 inches. Those at the time were $10 a piece. Now they are $15 a piece. Again, inflation, okay? Along with that, I did have some extra room, so I wanted to add some shelves. I did opt for the more expensive shelves with the glass insert in them. And those were $40, and they still are $40. I don't know how much longer they're going to be $40, because clearly everything else is going up, but those were $40, and I got 2 of them, 1 for each unit. So currently, the way that everything is set up, I do have 2 bars in the first unit, and then my clear shelf is at the bottom where my sweaters are. My second unit right next to it has 3 bars. The third bar was purchased when I purchased the other 2 units that we'll discuss in 1 second. And the clear glass shelf had no room for it, so it just sits on the bottom of the unit because I don't want to sell it. I don't want to get rid of it for whenever I do move, or if I decide to rearrange the things in the wardrobe, I still have it if I need it. So the other 2 units were purchased way later. So my first units I purchased actually like in, I think, November of 2021. I did not purchase these other 2 units until this year. I believe it was March of 2023 or April of 2023. So I got the 29 by 92 inches and I got the 19 by 92 inches. There is a little bit of space still left on that wall. And I do wish that, you know, if I had been in this room when I originally bought the units, that I would have measured it. It is what it is. I use that little area for more storage, and you can barely notice it when you're looking at my closet. The 29 by 92 inch unit was $140 when I purchased it, and the 19 by 92 inches was $130 when I purchased it, and all of these prices are before tax. With the unit, I did buy 4 shelves each. The 19-inch unit shelves are $15 and the 29-inch unit shelves are $20. So the total cost for my PAX system is around $750 for the units. Is that what they're called? Like the units themselves and everything that goes in them from the shelves to the rails. Moving on to the wall that is actually like in front of me as I'm talking to you guys. I got this mirror from Home Goods when I first moved here to Dallas. So this was in my old home and it was roughly about $50. I do want to get a bigger mirror, but I just don't have the space for it. As you will continue to see, there's literally no extra space in here to put a bigger mirror. So we work with what we have and we love what we have. Next up is this shelving unit that I got from Amazon. This is the Farina bookcase. I paid $59 for her and she is now on sale for $52. And she's just turned on her side. In my other room, I did have her the way that it shows on the website, but I really needed a place to house my purses and it worked better on its side than upright. I could fit more items in there. I put purses on the top of the bookshelf as well. I do want to get a bigger unit for in here to house more purses because I do have space still above the purses that are above the bookshelf. I don't really need to access the curtain that's behind all of this stuff, so I'd rather utilize all the space that I can in there because I have a ton of things. As far as my hats are concerned, they're just on command hooks. Moving on to the wall on the left of me, this first bookcase is from Target. I highly, highly recommend her. She's only $45 and she is extremely sturdy. Ever since I got her, chef's kiss. She is everything. On this bookshelf, I mainly just have my press-on nails. At the bottom is things that I still need to film, projects that I'm working on, like DIY projects, some things that need to be tailored, whatever kind of reviews and things that I need to film. I just kind of put them on those bottom shelves so I know that I can get to them, but they're also kind of tucked away so they're not spread out in the main area of my space like they were before. The artwork on the top is from this brand called Celia's House. I think she has a few pieces left. I know she stopped selling artwork, but I'll link down below. And I think I also have a discount code. So you want to check them out. Her art is gorgeous. And I'm so glad that I was able to get this piece. She is me, I am her. We're going to have on all the jewelry. We have the short hair. And I just love this piece. It really speaks to who I am. And she was perfect for the closet room. Next to her are my Barbies. I am a Barbie girl, honey, okay? I am a child, y'all. I don't think y'all will understand. I am a child. So when I saw these Barbies, I had to get them because I was like, they have to be displayed in my room. They're super cute. They're super fashionable, super stylish. I can't remember the price of the Barbies, but I'll be sure to put them in the description box. Next up is my like vanity area. This table, it's really a desk, okay? I got her from IKEA. This is the Mickey desk, and she was $90. I do have the bigger version of this desk in my room, and I really wanted to match like my furniture for when I do get a bigger house and things like that. Everything kind of coordinates. You know, I love everything to coordinate, and I love everything to be white, clearly. On top of the desk, where I actually do my makeup and everything. My portable vanity is also from Amazon. She is $46 and I love her so much. The light isn't as bright as I would like it to be for my skin tone, but it does like really help to brighten up that area. Also, it comes with a phone clip so that you can record whatever you need to record and a magnifying mirror. So if you need to get real close up in there, you can. Originally, when I had the vanity mirror on the desk, it was just a little too low. I'm a tall girl, honey, okay? So I needed it to be elevated. And I was like, what can elevate it? A monitor stand. So that's what I got. And she was $22 from Amazon and has changed the game. I can literally just slip my makeup that I do use every single day underneath her. Now, this mat has changed the game. It's a little messy over here. I know it is what it is. If you have an area where you do your makeup, and I don't care what color it is or whatever, like the furniture, get one of these desk mats. This desk mat is from Amazon. It was only $14, but it has saved the top of this desk. I can get makeup on it. I can get lash glue on it. I can get eyeshadow on it. Whatever the case may be, I don't really have to clean up the desk per se, and it just wipes off. I have not wiped it off, but it just wipes off. And if I really need to clean it, I can just take it, put it in the sink, give it a nice cleaning, and then bring it back, and it's like new, honey. I am obsessed. I love her down, and I'm so glad that I actually like made the leap to buy her, because before, when I tell you the stains that were on this desk, honey, okay, well, not this one, but my previous one, because that one was in here before, hunty, a mess. I also have additional lights. One of them I got from Marshall's, which is like the kind of snake ring lights, and it just clips on to the back of my vanity mirror. I also have this other light because I like to do content while I'm doing my makeup. That one I also got from Amazon. I believe she was under $50. Originally, where the 2 PAX units are now were the Target bookcases. So I had room for one, but I didn't have room for 2 of them. So what I did was I actually split them in 2. So when you build a bookcase, it kind of builds like it's in 2 halves. So I was able to take them apart. One half is here on top of my vanity, which gives me extra space on top of the vanity. And the other one is on my desk, which is like a regular bookshelf, has books and things on it. So for the storage pieces on top of my vanity, the 2 canisters are from the $5 section of Target. The Lazy Susan I got from Home Goods as well. She was under $20. And the 2 bins at the top are also from the $5 section in Target. This dresser is also from IKEA. This is the Mom dresser, and she's $179. I love this dresser so much. It holds so much. Like, I'm so happy that I got this unit. It's very sleek. Just, again, I love me a good little white moment, honey. And it's just chef's kiss, love her down. I saw a woman on Instagram who had this dresser, who took some like Billy bookcases and put them on top in her closet. And I was like, oh my gosh, like this is such a good idea. I should use this space to actually put things in and not, you know, just leave it empty. I love wall space. Okay. If you have wall space, go up. Just put as many shelves as you can to cover up that wall space, honey. If you need storage, if you don't need storage, you ain't got to do that. I put my perfumes on here, lotions. Some of my sunglasses are on here. This sunglass organizer is actually from Amazon. She was $20. And I have all of my jewelry there. It is so convenient, so easy. So my lucite jewelry box, I did get that from Home Goods. I believe she was about $30 or so. I bought her years ago. Next to it, stacked up, I actually got these little like containers from Amazon. These are $15 for a set of 3. I ended up getting 2 sets and they work perfectly. I put my rings in there. Some of my longer necklaces go in there. And they just kind of stay together, and I can stack them on top of each other. They don't have to be in like a huge thing. And I love that. So if I do get more jewelry, I will have to figure out where to put them. And I do want to kind of start wearing more of my necklaces again. So I may have to find another place for those as well. But for now, this works perfectly. On top of that, these 2 gray units are actually from IKEA. They go with the PAX unit. They're called like Complement or something like that. All of the things that go in the PAX unit are called Complement, I guess because they complement the PAX unit. Anyways, these are a part of that. I don't have any of the drawers that come out, so I don't have anywhere in the PAX unit to put them, and my jewelry isn't over there. So I just put them on this shelf. I bought them in the as is section for a discount. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ. I do want to get one more of the thinner ones, or maybe one more of the bigger one that can go at the bottom that's more flat, because some of my earrings kind of stick up, so I can't put another one on top of that. And it has really helped to kind of just like lay out and organize my jewelry, and it looks like expensive, honey. Okay, like she is that girl. I love her so much. So in the as is section, the larger unit was $20 and the skinnier unit was $15. The larger tray is $30 regular price. I cannot find the thinner insert on the website, so if I do find the price, I'll be sure to put it in the description box below. So as far as my decor on top of the bookshelves, this lamp is actually from this like discount store here in Dallas. I got 2 of them. One of them I have no place for right now, so it's just kind of in storage, but they were $30 a piece without the lampshade. The lampshade, I believe I got from like Target or something like that. She was probably $15. And my gold R I actually got from Michael's years ago when I first moved here. Years ago, as if that was like 15 years ago. I got it in like 2020, I think, or 2021 when I moved here. And she was on sale for probably $10, probably less than that. And I love her. I've always wanted one of these like balloonish looking R's, and I'm obsessed. The flowers are fake flowers. I have actually had these for years, forever and a day, and they've come with me from New York to here. I can't remember where I got them. The vase that they're in, or the vase that they're in, I believe is also from Michael's. Can't remember the price of that. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try to link something similar down below. And as far as the artwork is concerned, the bigger piece I actually got from the same place that I got the lamp from, and she was like $10. She is from an artist called Bria Paints, this Black woman. I'll be sure to leave a link to more of her art below. And the smaller piece is actually from the Target Black History Month collection from 2022. Yes, it wasn't this year. They had a 2 set of prints, and I decided to take one and frame it. The other one I haven't done anything with yet. It's like a picture of a man, and I want to find a different way to frame that one as well. The hook that my necklaces are on, that is actually from the like dollar section in Target. They don't have links to any of that stuff on their website, so check your local Target and see if they still have them. And the rest of my sunglasses are actually held on the back of my door where I used to put my press-on nails, and they're perfect for this, like putting one per slot. I don't have a ton of sunglasses. Well, I kind of got a lot, but it fits over there perfectly. I'm able to put like my glasses wipes in there, my extra sunglass cases. And lastly is the Billy bookcase from IKEA. She was $49. I needed some extra space before I got my 2 PAX units to put purses on, and there's not a lot of wall space there, guys. So I needed something that was pretty thin, and this worked perfectly. It holds my purses. It will probably change as I change. That is it. That is my full closet room tour. If there's anything that I missed or any information that you guys would like, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to leave you links or at least tell you where I got it from and how much it cost. Since you've made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, y'all, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.